Alright folks, I'm taking this picture July 8th, I'm sorry. July 8th, and the rain has been hitting us. The wind was just almost blowing the trees sideways. It was just sheets, and this is, I'm going to shut up and let you hear how loud it is out here. Hang on a second, I'm good. See if I can walk over here this way and give you a better idea of what it's doing on the driveway. Alright, so check, well, you can't see it here, but the water has run all the way up and over the back porch. And there's already emergency vehicles going down the street. Probably flash flooding. I mean, the way it's been raining, I don't know if you can even see it. Thunder, lightning. Haven't lost power yet. The whole yard is flooded. Good thing Charlie mowed when he did, I guess. At least the wind stopped. It was really, really scary there for a while. We don't scare easy out here. Anyway, that's what we got right now.